started with our next math page, why don't we do something really quick and fun? You can do this with your hundreds chart too. Let's count by fives. You guys ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Perfect, friends. Count by fives to family and friends. Try that every single day. Now let's get started with our math. Okay, kindergarteners, let's get ready to do this. You're looking for lesson 6, and it says, how many are left? We're going to be working with this picture here. It talks about hula hoops, and it tells us to use pennies. Right here, it tells us about the pennies. And we're basically going to count how many are here and then minus. So let's look. If we have, how many hula hoops do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 hula hoops. Okay. There are 4 hula hoops in total, which you know that and you saw that. And 3 hula hoops are being used. These are the 3 that are being used. Let's cross them off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So how many hula hoops are not being used that are left on the grass? So we can do that with pennies as well. Ready? Look, let's count the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then you give your friend 3 pennies. So let's just pretend that 3 pennies are gone. There they go. Bye-bye, pennies. All right. Now, this helps us do this problem. How many hula hoops or how many pennies did we have in all? We had 4 hula hoops. So we're going to trace the 4. And how many were used? Do you remember how many were used? 3 hula hoops were used. Oh, and don't forget to trace your minus. Minus, and say it. And trace the 3, because that's how many hula hoops were used. 4 minus 3 equals, how many are left? Let's look up here. 1 hula hoop was left, so let's trace the 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. I think I did a brain warm-up like that with you earlier this week with the teddy bears. We had 4 teddy bears, and then I let someone borrow 1. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. All right, let's turn the page over, friends. Turn it over. Here we go. Same thing, friends. It's asking us, how many are left? And you can see a swimming pool. Many of you might be getting to go swimming this summer, so pay attention. Let's see what it says. There are 9 noodles. Okay, so let's count them. 9 pool noodles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pool noodles. So I'm going to write that in my number sentence. Ready? Here we go. 9 pool noodles. Minus. Now let's talk about how many are being used. How many pool noodles are being used? Let's count them. We know they're the ones in the pool, so I'm going to X them off. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 6 pool noodles, so write your 6 in here, friends, equals, what does it equal, friends? Look, and don't forget to say equals. What's left outside the pool? These are the ones that no one is using. These are not being used, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. We could do the same thing with our pennies. Here we go. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to put, hopefully, 9 pennies, friends. If Mrs. Romero can count correctly, and you're going to help me. You ready? Let's see if this is 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I need one more, friends, so I'm going to add it in. Here's 9 pennies now. Now let's pretend that I give 6 pennies to a friend. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Friends, how many pennies do I have left? 1, 2, 3. It's the same thing. 9 minus 6 equals 3. All right, friends, we're done with your math for the day. Don't forget to practice your numbers 1 to 30.